For social studies in December, we are learning all about plant power. We've already learned about poisonous plants, pollinating plants, and prickly plants, and today we are learning about healing plants with this book by 𝐼𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐿. Let's go! Chapter 1. Flowers and Fruits. Pretty yellow and white flowers dot a field, but these flowers have healing powers. People have used them as medicine for hundreds of years. This plant is chamomile. Its flowers are made into tea. Drinking it soothes stomach pains and can help you sleep. It is one of many plants that heal. What is this pretty purple flower? Lavender. It is made into a sweet-smelling oil. It heals in many ways. Smelling it calms you. Rubbing it on your skin helps you too. It makes bug bites itch less. Did you know that ancient Egyptians used lavender oil? They soaked cloth in it, then they wrapped mummies in the cloth. When some flowers are pollinated, fruit grows. One kind of fruit is a real lifesaver. What is it? Citrus fruit. These fruits include lemons, oranges, and limes. What is inside citrus that heals? Vitamin C. Without it, you can get scurvy, but citrus juice cures that disease. Did you know that sailors stayed months on ships in the 1900s? They ate poorly and got scurvy, but then a doctor discovered that lemons helped, so sailors brought lemons onto voyages. Chapter 2. Useful leaves. A plant's leaves can heal too. One plant looks like it might hurt you. Its thick leaves have prickly points, but they hide something helpful inside. What is it? An aloe plant. Cut a leaf open, you see a thick liquid. You can rub it on a scrape or burn. It helps skin heal quickly. Growing in Australia is also the tea tree. Its leaves have oil that kills germs. Australians used to crush its leaves and smell them when they have colds. They put the leaves on cuts to help them heal. Now, many people use the oil to keep their skin clean. It can also be used to fight head lice. Rub this plant's leaves with your fingers. Now smell. It is minty fresh. It's the mint plant. In a cream, it cools skin. People put it on bug bites or rashes. In a liquid, it helps you breathe better when you're stuffed up. Chapter 3. Bark and Roots. Other parts of plants help people too. This plant's bark holds its healing powers. It is a willow tree. A willow tree's bark has a chemical inside. It stops pain and lowers fevers. People have used it for thousands of years. In the 1800s, the chemical was used to make aspirin. This pill is a common medicine for adults for headaches and stomach aches. Another tree grows in South America. It is an evergreen tree called the 𝐾𝐞𝐚𝐽. Its bark has a chemical that lowers fevers. It is made into a medicine called quinine. People take it for malaria. Did you know that many plants heal? But many are also poisonous. Never eat from a plant unless you know it is safe. Always ask an adult first. Even below ground, plants have healing powers. The roots of ginger plants flavor food, but they can also help upset stomachs. Ginger keeps you from getting sick. Plants have some incredible abilities. From their flowers to their roots, they heal us in many ways. Take a look. Different parts of a plant can be used for medicine. You can use the flowers, the leaves, the bark, and the roots too. Now let's learn some of the new words we learned in today's book. The first word is aspirin, which is a drug that adults take to relieve pain and lower fevers. Chemical is a certain substance inside a plant. Citrus fruit are fruit that is juicy and has acid, such as lemons or oranges. Evergreen is a bush or tree that keeps its green leaves all year long. Head lice are small insects that attach themselves to people, often on their heads to feed on their blood. Poisonous is able to harm or kill with a harmful substance. Pollinated is when pollen from one plant is carried to another so that it can make fruit and seeds. Quinine is a medicine used to treat malaria. Rashes are spots or red patches on a skin caused by allergies or an illness. Roots are the part of a plant that grows underground and absorbs nutrients and water. Malaria is a disease that people get from mosquito bites, so be careful. Medicine is a substance used to treat people who is sick. Mummies are dead bodies preserved in a special way and wrapped in linen so that they last a very long time. And finally, scurvy is a disease caused by a lack of vitamin C. Now it's your turn. What did you think about healing plants? And what are some things you learnt about them in today's book? Share with me down below. Take some time, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson for some more learning fun. That's all for now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.